how to set up your iPhone to read text messages out loud. Now, this is really simple, so let's just start. First, we need to tweak some settings. So let's just open up our settings. Now, after you open up your settings, you need to just scroll down a bit till you find accessibility. It's right below home screen and app library and above wallpaper. Just open up accessibility, go to spoken content. Now there are several options you can see there. Tap on spoken content, and the option you want to turn on is the one that I just turned off. So just tap on speak selection. Now what speak selection does is if you just open up a text right here, you can just tap on the text and there you'll see an speak option pop up. Now tap on speak and and then the text will be read out loud by your iPhone. Now let's try.
Code successfully validated. Sanima Bank.
This is really simple, guys. All you need to do is just tap on speak selection. Now the other option is speak screen. Now what you can do is just tap on turn this option on, and then just as you can read right here, it says if you swipe down with two fingers on top of the screen, you can hear the content of the screen. Now there are different settings you can do for speak screen too, like speech control. Just tap on this and there you can see different options right there. So that is pretty much it, guys. That is how you set your iPhone up loud. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more. If you're new to our channel, go down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on upcoming videos.